What is going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be making a quick little video on my AWE Trek Catback exhaust that I have for my 2023 Toyota GR86. It's going to be a short little video just on a couple startups, some revs at a couple different RPM ranges, and a couple drive-bys, stuff like that. If you wanted to hear what this exhaust sounded like from a in-cabin point of view, I actually already have a video on this channel. It's a POV driving video, so I'll leave a link to that video in the description of this video if you guys are interested in watching that. Other than that, let's get the garage opened up, get the car rolled out, and we'll get the car started up for you guys.